In today's ever-changing environment, it's incredibly important that we continue to invest in our people, and it's never been easier to bring teams together who are geographically remote. I think what really separates the experience is when you make them interactive. Ultimately, any learning experience is about giving your people the tools and techniques that they can use to grow their business, grow their performance, and grow their results. So whether it is live and in person or remotely and virtually, as these sessions are that we're producing here today, we will work alongside you to understand what your goals, your objectives, your strategy, and what success might look like. We're going to build a virtual learning experience that helps you move your people towards that priority, towards those goals, and it will be an immersive opportunity for them to learn right from their own desk. When we deliver a live, virtual, remote Keynote interactive learning experience or webinar, all of your delegates get to take part. It's an incredibly interactive experience. We have custom polls. We divide them into virtual breakout groups, so they are randomly assigned buddies and individuals in group sizes that you and I agree together, so they get to apply and employ the learning. Ultimately, it's about building a community, even though your people are spread all across the world. My team and I have delivered hundreds of live virtual keynotes and webinar learning experiences over the course of the last 5 years, right here from our interactive studio. If you'd like to work with us, then please do get in touch. We would love to inspire your people.